Maushami Singh is joining us from the Parliament. Maushami, the nomination papers are being filed. What can you tell us in terms of the strategy which will be followed by the India bloc nominee?
So clearly you can, Maria, at this point of time, first of all, welcome on India Today. We've been colleagues in the past, and yet we are here
Thank
again
you.
years later at the India Today. You're anchoring and I'm reporting, so life's come full circle. So welcome on India Today, and we start with a very feisty fight in the Parliament. We've seen the CP Radhakrishnan come in, and with the Prime Minister and all the political bigwigs of the NDA in the Parliament, you know, turning proposers for CP Radhakrishnan. He's all set to cruise to victory like VP Dhankar has done in the past. But clearly, you know, the opposition thinks that this is an ideological battle, and they've put up Sudarshan Reddy. He's been pitted against the VP candidate of the NDA. Mr. Reddy will be coming to the Parliament as well today at 12:30. He'll be introduced to all the opposition MPs in the Central Hall, and we'll see him file his nominations tomorrow at about 11 a.m. same time round. Rahul Gandhi has come back from Bihar. We've seen him in the Parliament, and perhaps today he will be present when that introduction happens. Clearly, the opposition is thinking that this is, you know, a way to register an ideological battle against the ruling government.